What's up, guys? We're gonna beatz. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make some hard-hitting, catchy trap beats. If you do end up enjoying the video, make sure you hit that sub button and turn post on so you don't miss a video. Let's hop into it. All right, so this is the sound we're using, just a simple bell here. Okay, so let's grab in a scale, and we can run with let's do E minor. Should be fine. Okay, so let's go in here. And a lot of this we're gonna be using our ears. So what we will need to do first is just make a bass line. So the simplest way, most generic way that I can think of to make a bass line is literally take this, pull it down, and then what you could do from here is pretty much just go up one, right? And you can spread these out. I'm gonna just try to find a nice little. Okay, I like that. It's a good little rhythm. Okay, so this is like our underlying rhythm here. All right, so now what we can do is start to actually build this, and this is where like your ear will come in place. So we can just use a few tricks. We can pull this up an octave, and this is going to pretty much get super small, but we can take this like original chord right here and take this middle note, and we can pull up a few octaves, delete that note, and this is going to be really difficult to keep all this in frame. Hopefully you can see the notes. Okay, so now we have this. So all we have to do now is just trickle this down and just pick notes that you like, right? And you can even actually, let me see. Let's pull these down one more. Let's try something like that. All right, so you can see we're kind of building our melody. So what we can do is just move some of these notes around, right? Let me see. All right, you can see we're kind of building a melody just by changing some of these notes up. Okay, so let's continue. And I'm just trying to fill in some notes here, and it's kind of hard to put everything in frame, but so let's take this B from this original E chord and let's move it over. Make a chord like upward like this almost. Okay, I think I'm okay with this so far. Kind of like that note. And we're just reusing notes we already have. I'm trying to go slow because you can't see the notes, so I don't want people to get lost if they're following along. So let's make this note here. Okay, I kind of like that the way it is right now. Okay, so pretty quick melody considering how many notes we have. So we can copy this over and I'll probably see this. Kind of like it low, honestly. Okay, so now we can add some variation, so we can kind of do that separately since we did so much here. All right, so quickly we're gonna add some variation to this. So we're gonna copy this over, and I'm gonna pull this back up so we can hear the notes because it is kind of low. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is just rework this top part. So like, just like this. Okay, so I'll change the color for you. Let's see if we can actually zoom in this time. So I'm gonna just rework it, probably just add like a different rhythm. Bring that in. Okay, that's fine. And at this point, it's super easy because you already have the blueprint of what works, right? Just by looking at these notes, as you can see, these work within our melody, so it's not really hard to pinpoint these things once you have the melody built. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Very catchy. All right, so let's go ahead and I guess we can move on to the next instrument. All right, so now we're gonna move on to our next instrument. Now what I'm gonna do is just copy this because I didn't realize how long that took. And I think this is full enough anyway. I'm gonna pull this up because we pulled this down. Okay, just kind of like it low. So let's see what this sounds like with this melody. Kind of like it higher. Honestly, I like this sound a lot better than the main sound, to be honest. I might use this one. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna see when we like add the drums which one sounds better, but so far I like the second sound. So let's move on to the 808. All right, so now we're gonna do our 808. So we're just gonna take these lower notes and just play around with them. I might fast forward a little bit because I need a nice outro. So let's play around with the octaves, have a little bit of fun. It's not like I'm using this, so. And I'm offset these a bit. Oops. And I'm gonna change up the rhythm here. Just because we changed up the rhythm here, you can see this is like on the grid now. So I'm gonna change up my 808. Just want to make sure I make that clear. Let's see. Okay, I really like that. So now we can add our little drums and we can kind of listen to the finished version. All right, so now we're just gonna add the drums and stuff, and this is pretty simple stuff here. I don't have to make this over complicated. Let's right click, set to next bar, right click, set to next bar. Kind of want to edit that. You know what, let's just do this. Copy over the velocity changes as well. Flip this over. Okay, we add in our little snare. The adjustment over here. There we go. All right, we took long enough here. All right, so I'm gonna play it with everything we've been listening to here. I'm gonna play it with this one. And that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.